Hi friends, welcome to this video. So this is the one of the easiest question if you understand. Otherwise you will feel difficult. Why? Because if those who know this basics idea, then they can easily solve this, right? So it is one of the easiest question you can see. In basic medium H2O2, right? H2O2 means what? Hydrogen peroxide act as an oxidizing agent, right? We know that, and we have to tell in which of these options A, B, C, D it acts as oxidizing agent, right? Simple. So this H2O2 is a oxidizing agent in basic medium. So OH minus is there, it gives this O2 oxygen to few of the elements, right? So which one will act which it will react and it oxidizes, right? So the simple is, so they have given A, B, C, D option. Just we have to see the metals oxidation state, right? So in A, what is metal? I have K3. So potassium oxidation state, if you see, it is K plus, and I have iron. So if here iron is 3 plus, cyanide will be minus 6 minus, which overall charge is 3 minus. So 3 minus means K3. So it came. So here K plus is there and iron is Fe3 plus. And we know that iron is in highest oxidation state, that is Fe3 plus. It can't be further oxidized. So here H2O2 will not oxidize this Fe3 plus, because it can't be oxidized only because it is present in higher oxidation state. Similarly, potassium K plus is the maximum oxidation state. It can't be further oxidized. So option A is the wrong option. It can't oxidize. H2O2 can't oxidize this K3 FeCN6 red complex. Talking about B. In B, if you see Ag2O, it means what? Silver is in plus oxidation state, right? So this Ag plus, this is the maximum oxidation state of silver. It can't be further oxidized, so no further reaction. So B can't be used. We can't use H2O2 to oxidize this Ag2O. Talking about D, see in D what is there? K2Cr2O7. If you see the oxidation state of chromium, right, you know how to calculate. 7 2s are minus 14, so minus 12 plus 12 plus 12 divided by 2 is nothing but plus 6. So this is the shortcut method I will use. If you are not comfortable with that, you will do like this. So potassium is plus 1, so 2 into 1 plus, I want the oxidation state of chromium, so 2 into X plus 7 into, always oxidation state of oxygen will be minus 2, but in peroxides like H2O2, right? So this is H2O2, here oxidation state of oxygen is minus 1. Overall is 0. So X I have to find, that is the oxidation state of chromium. So how I will find it? Just like this, 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So minus 14 is nothing but 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to plus 6. 12 divided by 2 is nothing but plus 6, right? So this is how we calculate oxidation state. So chromium maximum oxidation state is plus 6 only. So we have seen in D and F block elements, chromium will show oxidation state 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6. The maximum is oxidation state of chromium is plus 6, right? So since it is plus 6, which is the maximum oxidation state, it can't be further oxidized by H2O2, can't be further oxidized. So option D, the H2O2 can't oxidize. D also. So it is C is the correct option. You will ask, why sir, why C is the correct option, right? It is easy. If you see Cr2SO4 thrice, it means here chromium is in 3 plus oxidation state and sulfate always will be SO4 2 minus. So chromium 3 plus oxidation state. So if you see here, so chromium is 3 plus oxidation state. It can be further oxidized to plus 4. It can be further oxidized to plus 5. It can be further oxidized to plus 6. So it can be easily oxidized by H2O2, right? So C is the correct option. Thank you.